Do you want to sell any products on Instagram? You can sell digital or physical products on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to sell products on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. Currently, personal accounts do not have selling features. So, I recommend switching your personal account to a business or creator account to unlock the Instagram product selling feature. To sell physical or digital products on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the top of the profile screen, tap on the plus icon. A pop-up menu will appear, select Post from here. Now, choose a picture of the product that you want to sell on Instagram. Currently, I am going to sell this camera on Instagram. Once selected, tap Next at the top of the screen. Here, you can add filters, music, and more customization to your image. Once satisfied, tap Next at the top of the screen. Add a caption for your post and tag relevant people if needed. Now, scroll down the screen, and you will see that Add Product Details option. Remember that this feature is currently not available to all users, so I recommend switching to a business or creator account. Just tap on the Add Product Details option. A pop-up screen will appear to add product details. First, add your product name in the title section. Under the title, you will see the price section. Set the price here for your product. You can also change the currency if needed. Once added, tap the Done button at the top of the screen. Lastly, tap on the Share button to post your product on your Instagram profile. Now, your friends and followers will see this post with a View Product button below the image. Once they tap it, they will see product details with the Place Order and Message Seller buttons. If they order or message you, you will receive a message and notification in the Instagram message section. By following these simple steps, you can easily sell products on Instagram, whether you're offering physical items or digital products.